In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to n8n, a straightforward and efficient way to automate your tasks. Let's dive in and break it down step by step to ensure you have a seamless experience. First, we need to get started by directing our attention to the left sidebar within your Jira interface. You'll notice a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This area is your gateway to exploring various integrations and tools that can enhance your Jira capabilities. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll want to look for the option to explore more apps. This is where you can search through the myriad of applications available for Jira, finding the perfect match for your needs. It's like browsing a marketplace tailored for Jira users, enhancing its functionality beyond the basics. Now that you're in the Explore More Apps section, it's time to focus your search specifically on n8n. In the search bar provided, simply type in n8n and let the system do its magic. You'll quickly see n8n appear in the search results, ready for you to select. Once you see n8n in the results, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a dedicated page for n8n within the Jira app ecosystem. Here, you'll find detailed information about what n8n offers and how it can integrate to make your workflow more efficient. Now, let's proceed to the installation. You should see an option to either install or try for free. Click on this. Installing n8n into your Jira environment is straightforward, and whether you're opting to try it for free initially or going directly for a full installation, the process will be fairly intuitive. Upon clicking Install or Try for Free, you will be prompted to follow the detailed instructions provided by Jira to connect n8n to your account. It's important to meticulously follow these instructions to ensure everything is set up correctly. The steps usually involve authorizing the integration and possibly adjusting some settings to tailor it to your specific needs. With all these steps completed, you've successfully connected Jira to n8n. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to start automating workflows and boosting productivity with the seamless collaboration between Jira and n8n. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Feel free to explore more about the powerful capabilities n8n brings to the table and enjoy the enhanced productivity in your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this. Happy automating!